Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today we've got some awesome farmhouse Dollar Tree DIYs, and also today we are doing a Friend Friday Hop collaboration with some awesome DIYers. So make sure to go check out all of the videos in this list. We will be linking directly to Heidi Sonboul DIY, so make sure to go check her out after today's video. We hope you enjoy everyone's videos today, but as always, if you do enjoy our video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. Let's jump in and get started.
For this project, you will need 4 of these square picture frames from Dollar Tree. Take everything out of the frame so that we can spray paint the frame. To paint it, I will be using the Krylon Fusion All-in-One Gloss Black Spray Paint. While those are drying, it's time to cut out your poster board. So grab your poster board and just one of the backings from the frames and trace 4 of them. When you're tracing these, make 1 more so that you can have a template. Then go ahead and just cut them out. Now I will be making the template that I talked about previously. So I just took this ruler and I'm going to be measuring it at 3 inches and at 6 inches and do that all the way around. Once you do that, just line up the ruler and make your lines. That will make a small square in the middle that you can go and cut out. When you're done cutting that out, now you have a template that you can go and draw a square in the middle of each page, and then use the same method, just cut it out so all of them are the same. With all of your poster board cut, just grab your favorite pictures and tape them on the inside. And then just assemble your frames all back together. For this sign, we will be using 2 8x10 canvases. Pry up the staples using a flathead screwdriver and then grab some pliers to pull them out. I was originally going to make a bigger sign, but for this you will only need 2 canvases, and just mark right on one of the sides so that we can cut straight across. For all of our cutting, we use this Black & Decker jigsaw. There's a link in the description below for this. This is what it'll look like after you've cut off those pieces. You'll want to just sand them down slightly. It's time to flip them over now and hot glue the two ends together. After gluing, we will be stapling with this Stanley staple gun. Staple on the back right where they meet. And then you'll add 2 more staples on the front of the frame. I will be staining everything with the Minwax Dark Walnut stain. If you are ever wondering what products we use, how many, just go ahead and check our description box. Now it's time to make the backing, so grab a piece of white foam board from Dollar Tree, place the frame on top, and just trace on the outside. Do not use scissors on foam board, it will just come out horrible. Use either a razor like this, or some people use the back of a butter knife. To give the foam board some texture and not look so just perfect, I'm going to be painting it with the Waverly White chalk paint. I noticed once this was dry, it gave it more of a wood look. When that is completely dry, you will just run hot glue all around the frame and stick your foam board on top. This is the cute laundry sticker that I found from Dollar Tree. I am absolutely obsessed with the new stickers that Dollar Tree is coming out with. I measured a little bit to make sure it was center. I mostly eyeballed it once I got the sticker off. Then just peel the sticker off and place it on top. I do wish that this sticker was a rub-on transfer instead of an actual sticker. It does leave a little bit of a border around the sticker, but we will be going over top with Mod Podge so that it gives it more of a matte finished look. Just take a craft stick or anything similar just to get all the bubbles out and make sure it lays flat. And like I said before, I went over top with the matte Mod Podge.
Alright, and for our last project, we're going to use this handle, and it's either a mop or a broom handle. Same thing, whichever one you want to use. And I'm just using this simple handsaw. You can get one like this from Dollar Tree, and we're just cutting off those threads so we don't have to worry about that. If there's a little bit left, you can also sand that off, but not really a big deal. Now we can take our handle and these universal tool hooks. I'm going to be using 3 of them, and we're going to spray paint both of these in this gloss black from Krylon. Next, we're going to spray paint 3 of these flowers and garden tins. I'm using a high gloss white from Rust-Oleum, and the reason why I did this is I wanted to look a little bit more like a metal or ceramic than just a flat paint like chalk paint would look. And then what I'm doing is using some ink chalk paint to put a black line on that rim. Now I was going to also paint the flowers and garden black, but I couldn't really figure out a way that I thought looked good with like marker paint. So if you are wanting to do that, I would suggest then using the chalk paint, because what you can do is after you've painted it with a few coats of chalk paint, you can actually go back and wet sand or wet distress over the lettering, and it should come off and look really nice. The issue with the spray paint is when you're sanding it down, then it makes it rough and you lose that gloss finish, and it just doesn't look really good. So to finish these planters, I'm using some greenery here from IKEA and from Walmart. These IKEA ones are a little bit more expensive, about $5 each, and then the Walmart ones you can get a little bundle for about $1 each. We probably used a couple of those for each container. I would also recommend giving everything that we painted today a nice clear coat to seal the paint. And then we're using 3 of these hooks, 1 on each end and then 1 right in the middle. To hang our planters, I'm using 4 of these plant hangers from Dollar Tree. Each of these hangers comes with 3 chains. Now the outside hangers, you only need 1 chain, so go ahead and take 2 of those off. And then the 2 middle ones only need 2 chains, so go ahead and remove 1 of those chains. And then we're going to use this big hook to go on the pole. And then at the very bottom of these chains, there's a little hook here, and that is meant to clip onto something. Now I went ahead and removed that completely, and I used the very last link. Instead of using this piece you can see right here, just remove that and use the very last link of the chain, and it looks a lot better. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to go check out Heidi's video for the Friend Friday collaboration. We'll have a link for that in the description below. And as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.